10:08 right now. It says it's gonna rain at 11. So let me show you guys a little bit more of what he's doing. Alright guys, as you can see, the wood is here now. I do want to start building, but it's gonna start raining any minute now. So we might just have to wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna run over to our little warehouse and get some tarps to cover up that wood because I don't want it getting soaked. What's up guys? It's a beautiful morning out here, and today we're going to be building this garage. I'm trying to show you guys as much as I can. Again, this garage is built to the city requirements that they want. The inspector wants here, so it's not like this everywhere. In case someone in the comments is like, why are you doing this? Well, it's because the inspector requires it here. So yeah. This one's ready to go up. Excuse my hat. Alright guys, update. These walls are ready to go. Beautiful day to be out here working. at so far? 3 o'clock. Well guys, that's it for the first part. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, we're out here. Second day I'm building this garage. Got a lot of action going on over here. Aquí le doy uno en la esquina para que luego le pueda bajar allá. Así. Yes. Here we are finishing up the shingles. What's up guys, Chris from Gamma Construction. Gonna give you a quick update on this garage we had been building that we started the other day, the blue one. Well, you guys didn't know it was blue, but it is blue. So we have the siding up. I can't remember if I did a video of the shingles going up. The electrician just finished up, as you can see. So now we just wait on inspection, and then we're gonna get the drywall up ASAP and get this wrapped up. That first one that we did, the garage doors are up. It's all the way down there. If I get over there, I'll record it too. That's great. The problem we're having is finding this color of siding, but it took a while, but we finally found some to finish it up. So if you guys need a garage built, remember you can reach out to me. I'll go wherever, maybe. So yeah.